What we want to attract, give it out. And what happens is, when we give it out, it creates a thread. Hello everyone! It's such a nice weather today. People in Bangalore, India, they would be really enjoying this weather today. Okay, so what's the session for today? Appreciating others. We have been talking about gratitude a lot. And gratitude is something, your connection with the universe. And when we take that energy to the outside world, it becomes more powerful. It gets into the next level. Appreciating others. Let's understand it in today's session. I welcome you all. I am Leena, a mentor, a coach, a powerful, passionate woman empowerment leader. Now, what exactly I mean by appreciating others? It's so simple, right? We don't have to learn about it. You will be like, what's the big deal about it? But you know what? There are things which we have to do consciously. There are things which we have to do every day, every moment. And this is one part of the mindset which needs to be trained, where genuinely we feel to appreciate others. We need to be generous with our compliments. Even that thought which comes in our mind, anything good about that other person, we need to give that thought, pass that compliment to the other as a gift. Gifts are not just materialistic gift. It can be the thought, the positive vibration which you are carrying for that person. Please let that person know. Pass that compliment to that person. And that turns out to be the biggest gift for that person for that day. Trust me, there are so many people who make my day. It changes my vibe when I read the appreciation. Don't I feel it's not my duty to do the same for others? When we see somebody holding a purse and it looks a very gorgeous purse, pass that. Oh wow, your purse is so gorgeous. Somebody who have helped us, call them up, message them. Some kind of appreciation, saying a thank you to them. You could say that, Leena, but that is so fake. No, I'm not telling you to just compliment or appreciate others if you don't feel about it. It has to be a genuine one. If it is a crappy purse, I'm not telling you to go and appreciate. That's wrong. The appreciation is if you truly feel something good about that person, that thought coming in. But let me ask you today, how many times we get that thought in our mind that we need to appreciate others? I would like to encourage you today. You know what happens? We keep that spotlight on us. When we go into a group and we feel like, oh, people should appreciate us. But you notice, when you start appreciating others, what happens? It tends to pass that compliment back to us. I am seeing this in Facebook today. I mean, I'm bombarded with appreciation. Thank you everyone. Wherever I open, whether it's my SMS, whether it's my messenger messages, whether it's my Facebook links, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you people are really making my day. And I do that intentionally, consciously to everyone in others' videos. I pass my appreciation to them. You know, law of spirituality? The law of spirituality tells that whatever we need more in our life, if we need more love, pass that love, spread that love more and more out. If we need more appreciation, Spread that appreciation outside. Give that appreciation. What we want to attract, give it out. And what happens is, when we give it out, it creates a thread. So when you have given it to one person, don't expect it back from the same person. It will come back to you with a complete flow with somebody else. But universe will make sure that it comes back to you. Life is so simple. What we are giving out, we are getting in. And every soul thrives for that acknowledgement, thrives for that appreciation, which keeps the vibe up. I would urge you today, not just appreciating others, but also receiving the appreciation. I mean, in my own life, when I didn't understood receiving appreciation is more important than giving appreciation. People used to tell me that, oh Leena, you're looking so beautiful today. And I'll be like, no, it might be the light, or it might be the weather, or it might be like I have done my hair in the parlor today. And I used to negate it. I mean, what am I trying to do? The people who negate the appreciation, saying that, oh no, it's like I'm not lost weight. You are seeing it. What are you trying to say, that you are seeing it wrong? The other person who is so sweetly giving you, wants to compliment you, accept it, receive it with gratitude, and fill yourself up with that appreciation. You know, when we negate it, what happens? You are telling that the other person doesn't know what he is saying, he or she is saying. And we are proving them wrong. Why we need to do that? They are so sweetly giving you appreciation. Accept it, receive it, fill yourself with it. And remember, we can only give out what we are filled up with. You can only give your love, your joy, your appreciation out when you have it within. So receive it with gratitude and see how powerful the life will be. See how, the vibe will change of the journey that we are into. I would urge you today, pass that appreciation. Minimum 3 appreciation today if you can. And every day, make a point that at least 1 appreciation we are doing it before we end the day. It could be anywhere, anything, but let's make it a habit. And then you see, you will start having that thought of appreciation every second. Thank you for being the part of my life. I love you guys so much. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow, same time.